Danish, Ahmed and myself. So I am myself Farid and today we are doing Whisper Challenge. So let's go.
So in this challenge, what we have to do is we're going to have to wear these headphones, and there is going to be played loud music on the headphones. So while the loud music is playing, one of us has to say a word or sentence, say a phrase, a sort of phrase, and we have to just guess that phrase with the headphones on just by reading their lips. So let's get this video started.
Okay.
I'm playing with it.
So just to check, can you hear me?
Okay. I am
King.
क्या?
King.
What?
King. King.
Snake?
I
Snake.
am
King.
Danish.
Okay, I am sure about that. I am King.
Time's up, I think.
I can't get the
King.
He lost.
I'm not getting.
He lost.
Okay, he lost that point. He lost that point. Okay. So for the next chance, it's Ahmed's turn right now, and Farid is going to say the phrase.
Okay.
And the phrase was I am king.
Oh, I know.
As an art director.
Yes, I am king. Check my Instagram.
Check out my Instagram. Shameless plug.
Okay.
Okay, I am playing with you right now.
So the music is on. Just make.
What? Who are you?
Try to go a little slow, man.
What I? What? I don't get.
He's saying what?
What are you? What are you doing?
Yeah, oh, you heard that. Hopefully there was no cheating because I heard the music stop for a second there. Did you? Okay, so he got that point. Now it is my turn. For a moment I thought that these were sweaty and I was not going to wear them.
Okay.
Okay, my head is significantly smaller than his.
Definitely.
Okay, so
Like
you have to give me
chimpanzee.
the phrase right now.
Like chimpanzee. You are chimpanzee.
I'm chimpanzee? No, I'm not a chimpanzee.
Okay.
Start the music.
Start with you.
You have to give me the phrase.
What?
What? The
Hell.
hell.
You are speaking too loud.
Okay, that was
You are speaking
that
too loud.
was expected from me.
Got
I
it.
don't know why, but that was expected. So that was round one. Let's know the score. What's the score? So I and Ahmed got a point, and
One on one, I think.
so we have 1 point.
We both have 1 point.
We have both 1 point each, and Farid doesn't have any right now. We are going to do 5 rounds by the way of this thing. So let's see who wins this challenge. There you go. It's your turn right now.
No, my turn.
Yeah, it's not your turn. Okay.
Okay.
Play the music.
Okay. I am creepy, chromate, what? क्या बोलो? Chromate,
Stupid.
chumik,
Okay, yeah, that's enough.
Close enough.
Close enough. But not, you won't get a point there.
So he lost.
You are stupid.
Literally. Literally stupid.
oh, wow.
I get that. He's not good at guessing. He's not good at lip-syncing, I guess.
Yes, yes.
What's
I
next?
can't read this.
You have to give him. Play the music, please.
Yeah. You are cool boy.
You are.
Cool boy. Cool boy. Cool boy.
You are boring.
Cool boy.
You are getting louder and louder.
Cool boy.
You.
You are cool boy.
You are boring.
No, no.
Okay, you are boring.
You will.
You are cool boy.
You are. Mole.
No.
You are a shoal.
You're getting too much time.
Too much time? Okay. You lost that one.
You lost.
Okay, take up that
Okay.
one. You lost that one. You were saying you are a cool boy. But you are not, apparently.
Yeah, you can't get this.
So no one. What of the shit?
So,
It's my now. My turn. Okay. So who's gonna? Okay, he's gonna say.
You guys are enjoying this music or I can change?
Yeah, I'm enjoying this one. I like this one. Thank you for the concern about the music, not about the challenge. Okay.
now let's
Play the music.
Play the music.
What you wash, fall.
What you want to say? What you want to say?
Restart that.
What
What
you want
fall.
what you want to say. What you want to
you're
say.
not getting.
He is not getting
Too
it.
long. I can't get that. What the hell?
What you want to say?
The only thing I could see is just that.
Okay.
You don't get it.
No one got that point that round. So round number 3 right now.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay, so now it's Farid's turn. Sorry about that camera. The camera got blown. Okay, by the way, let's go.
Okay.
So play the music. Is the music playing?
Okay.
I
I
love
love
shoes.
what? I love
Watch.
cheese.
love shoes.
Watch.
Oh, he got one! Hey!
I love shoes.
I changed it because shoes is too difficult to guess. Because like, shit.
Oh, okay.
So he got one.
1 point. Okay. At least I got 1 point.
It's now your turn.
Okay.
You have to say.
Okay.
So play the music. Okay.
What
What
are
are
you
you
waiting?
want?
What are you waiting for? What are
What are
you
you
waiting?
speak?
Waiting.
Will.
Waiting. Waiting.
What
What
are you
are you waiting?
will?
Waiting. Waiting.
What are you doing?
Waiting.
What? I was saying, what are you waiting for?
For
Okay, try not to give the words with like shoes and waiting because it's
no, I think.
But
it's
you
because
said
waiting.
what is it?
Waiting.
Waiting.
And I'm not telling.
Okay,
I
now it's my
think
turn.
it's,
You have lost that point.
Second last round.
So it's which round is this? This is the third round right now.
So you can.
It's your turn.
Huh?
It's your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn.
No, my turn.
Yes, well, yeah.
Okay. For
Okay,
Play the music.
Yeah. That's loud. I are you idiot? Are you
Are you insane?
don't shake your head.
Are
You
in
ill?
not loud, not loud.
Are you insane?
Are you ill?
What is ill?
Are you ill?
No,
Are
no.
you insane?
Are you that's right.
Are you insane?
Are you inside?
Close enough.
Time is running.
What?
Time is. Are you insane?
Are you insect?
Time is over. Time is over.
You are totally insane.
That's insane.
Yes.
Insane. It's insane.
I was pretty close. I was like insect, idiot.
Yes.
insect. You are looking insect. Yeah, you are looking.
Okay.
You look like a hippopotamus.
So that round only one person got point, which is
Okay.
Farid. Oh.
Oh, I got point.
Okay, so we are equal right now.
Yes, we are equal. 1-1.
We have equal.
Yeah.
1-1-1.
1-1-1.
Yes, yes. We need
1-1.
So the last two.
Super over.
Super over. The last two turns is going to guess who is going to win. That was
Okay.
okay. Play the music, please. Okay, so
Let's start.
okay, so for the third one, the fourth one,
Okay.
fourth one.
the
Yes.
fourth one, please play the music and let's begin. It's Farid's turn right now.
Play the
music. Read my lips.
Okay.
Is the music playing right
No, no. Okay, okay.
now? Okay.
I am matrix. I am mind.
Danish. Danish. It's too boring. I am or I think ये सब.
Okay, so let's switch it up.
Okay.
Elephant.
I love. I love you.
Who love you?
You love you. You love me.
Elephant.
I love Farid.
No, we don't.
Okay, I'm changing it up.
Okay, okay.
Cat.
I
Cat.
like
Cat. Cat.
dog.
Mm.
Lick.
Mm.
Licking. Cat.
What are you making?
Is.
Cat.
Is.
I.
Oh shit.
Cat.
Is.
Catering. Kitty.
Is.
I can't
Is
Is.
cat is
Kitty.
Cat.
Cat.
Is.
Tick.
Is.
He's a noob.
I can't get.
He can't get it.
I was going to say cat is missing.
Ooh, I can't get this.
Okay, so now it's Ahmed's turn and he's going to give.
Give me an easy one.
This is little bit hard. Little bit.
Shit.
What is it? 20?
Yes.
It's his fault, not mine.
Because yeah.
Well, ready?
We don't
Ready?
have good circulation right now. Okay, ready?
Run away.
Done.
इसमें मुझे जिता दो यार, please.
Okay, so now again it's Farid's turn. Please play the music.
Okay. Okay.
Give it.
Say.
Let me think. Fire.
What?
Fire.
What?
Fire.
Pizza.
Fire. Fire.
What?
Fire.
Fire.
You get the point.
In
My.
mind.
My.
My.
हाँ.
My.
My.
Belly. Belly.
Bad.
Bat.
Bad.
Lee. Lee.
Lee.
Fire का बैट.
Bad. Bad.
Lee.
Lee. Bruce Lee.
Why are you?
Bruce Lee. Lee.
Fire.
What?
Fire.
Fire.
In
In
my
my
belly.
stomach.
Bat.
Belly.
Belly.
Bat.
Belly.
Belly.
Yes.
Yeah. He get the point.
He gets the point. And I think he heard him. You heard him?
Yes.
No.
He. No. This dance. Belly dance.
I did
Belly. भाई मेरे को
Fire in my belly.
पहली पता नहीं क्या सुनाई दे
Fire in my belly.
Fire in
Yeah.
my belly.
All the anime watchers out there, you might have seen.
Yes.
You might have heard about that dialogue, Fire in my belly.
Fire in my belly.
That's so bad name. Have you watched that? Have you watched Fairy Tail?
I'm feeling sleepy.
No.
Sleepy. Try to watch Fairy Tail. Okay, so it's his turn right now.
So she's
You're
turning.
feeling his turn. His turn.
Okay, okay.
What she?
What she?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm playing.
So you have to say.
Good.
You.
Good. Good.
You.
Good. Don't say that.
Good.
Don't say good.
Okay.
Good. So you say pizza is fine.
Okay. Pizza. Pizza.
L-
Pizza.
Pizza
Pizza
is
is
fine.
very.
Fine.
Pizza is fire.
Fine.
Nice. Pizza is chili.
Fine. Pizza is fine.
Pizza is fried.
Not
Pizza is fried.
No.
Can you see pizza fry?
Fine. Pizza is fine.
Okay, you got that one. Okay, I think I'm going to lose this challenge now.
What pizza is frying?
Huh?
Pizza is frying.
No,
Pizza is fine.
Fine.
I really like a pizza right now.
Pizza is fine, not fried.
How can a pizza be fried?
Not
Deep
fried
fried pizza.
No.
It's
Pizza
very
can be
crunchy.
roast. I think.
Okay, I'll play music.
Pizza cannot be roasted.
Can be
Toppings on-
baked.
So you have to tell me.
Tell
You are stew.
You are so.
You are so.
no louder, no. Why are you cutting so loud?
No.
So,
You are home.
So.
School.
You are so.
You are stew.
So.
come on, you can get this.
You are soul.
You are so.
You are loose.
You are not getting.
You are not getting. You are so.
You are home.
So.
Scone.
You don't get it.
So.
You are so.
Scold.
You are so boring. You are so boring.
You are so boring.
Boring.
Boring. You are so boring.
Yeah, right.
I am so boring.
Yes.
I'm not boring.
Yes.
You stop the music now, I think.
Yes.
What? What?
Yes.
What happened?
Yes.
What happened?
Yeah.
He cheated.
I did cheat.
He
Yes,
cheated.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
he cheated.
It says who? Okay, the control of the music is in my hand. It is in the
Okay.
director's hand.
But
That's what
we
But
can retake.
you are
We
listening.
can retake.
Nepotism. Nepotism.
We can retake.
Retake. Cut.
He's doing
No
something
cut.
with director.
Wear it again.
Okay, so I have to do that
Wear it
again.
Okay. Okay.
On
Music
the
playing.
Same.
Why
Why
are
are you
so? Why are you so?
why are you fool?
What the heck? Why are you so?
Why are you home?
Why are you so?
Why are you boring?
Telling home.
Why are you so?
Why are you slow?
Why are you so dumb? Dumb.
Oh, that's nice.
He's totally dumb.
That's nice for you.
Why are you so dumb?
Why are you so dumb?
Yes. I get it.
Okay, first
Yes.
of all, I'm not dumb.
Yes. Okay, the
So-
last is.
So, what's the tally?
I think
It's a tie.
no.
So,
I have only 4.
So we have another round right now.
oh, one round.
The
left.
last
one round
One
left.
more. Another one.
Is there a draw? being
Another
played?
one.
Yes, you
And
draw.
another
2.
Between
2.
between everyone.
Okay, so I have to win this round
No.
for the challenge.
What?
No.
So this round is for all the marbles.
Okay. No.
Clap for yourself. Shit.
Okay, so the last round.
Just do.
Back up.
No. Just do.
Okay, so okay,
Let's
let's just
No,
continue.
no, no.
Let's just continue.
क्या continue?
Okay, he couldn't hear anything.
Net ही करो.
Let's just continue.
Papa, okay.
थोड़ा कट कर लेना. ये policy.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Okay.
Okay, so last round, the final deciding round. If there is a draw, we have to do a draw breaker, I guess. But then let's go, please wear the headphones, and I'm going to say a phrase. Okay.
Okay.
Pizza.
Wait. No music.
Okay.
Your Wi-Fi is too slow.
Okay.
Shoes.
Use
The music
Music
stopped.
stopped.
Your Wi-Fi is slow.
Use mobile data then, please.
Okay. You use what? Shoes. I black laces black. I don't know what
He
it is.
don't get.
Red.
Size cushion.
Okay, I told him red. Now
No, he didn't get.
Nah, you don't get it. It was shoes was red. I showed you red. You said cushion.
He is totally dumb.
I am thinking.
Dumb. Dumb big brain boy, big dumb boy.
My chance.
Then your chance. This is chance. Okay, so be very careful about that. And he has to say. Say something.
Okay. Okay. You have
Have
Gucci,
shoes,
Gucci, Gucci,
boots.
Gucci, Gucci.
You have.
You have
Gucci.
Gucci.
Stop. एक मिनट. इसमें मेरे कान उतर आ गए थे. मतलब ऐसे हो गया था. एक गिर रहा था.
अच्छा.
इसलिए मैंने स्टॉप करवाया.
चलो सर. ओ रीटेक.
Read.
वैसे
यार थोड़ा इजी कर दो. You are कहते क्या था?
लास्ट राउंड.
You are Gucci.
Gucci.
ये कैसे पढ़ दे रहे हो तुम्हारा?
Gucci शूज यार.
Gucci.
लास्ट राउंड में थोड़ा वो होगा ना.
I have penis too.
It was
Red.
Okay. Woodland.
तुम बोलो.
Woodland shoes are best.
नहीं.
It's so hard.
Am.
क्या?
I am.
क्या?
Cat is.
Black.
Cat is black.
Okay, so my turn now. आसान गया.
Alright.
मुश्किल था ना. Okay.
Okay.
Music please.
Just enjoy the music.
Okay.
Red.
Can.
L.
Can.
Yell.
Yellow R.
Can. Can.
Cat.
Can.
Hat.
Can you please stop
Hat.
staring?
Cat. Hat. Bat. Rat. Sad. Lad. Bat. Cat. Bat.
Nothing.
Can.
I still don't get it.
Can.
Kiss.
Can.
Cat.
Can.
He didn't know. Can.
Dad.
You please. Can. You.
That showpiece.
No.
Can.
Dad.
Can.
Hat.
Can.
Can.
Can you
Can you
please
please stop Can you please stop yelling?
It's over. It's taking too much.
What was it?
Can you please stop staring me? Staring at me.
Oh, you lost.
He lost.
So.
who's the winner?
Who's the winner?
Winner is Ahmed.
Finally! Yay!
Yeah, sorry.
After 4 challenges,
Yes.
he finally wins one.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
literally crying right now.
No.
Okay guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon.
And also follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on
Instagram.
at KDF, and you can also follow each of us separately on Instagram. The links will be down in the description below.
And you can see on display here.
Yeah, you can see all of our handles over here,
Yes.
and plus Kama's right there.
And please like.
Please like this video, comment on this video,
And share and
What-
subscribe our channel too.
Can you let me speak?
No.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, bye.
Bye.